The National Electrical Code, or NEC, typically does not mandate the use of tape on wire nuts. However, there are exceptions to this rule. Damp or wet locations necessitate the use of tape on wire nuts. High vibration areas benefit from tape to prevent wire nuts from loosening. Tape may be used on wire nuts and fixture boxes as an additional layer of insulation. While the NEC does not require tape in most instances, many electricians use it for added safety and insulation. Reasons to use tape include improved insulation. Tape provides an extra layer of insulation, reducing the risk of electrical shocks or shorts. Moisture protection is another benefit. Tape can help protect wire nuts from moisture in damp areas. Reduced vibration is another reason, as tape can prevent wire nuts from loosening due to vibration. Extra security is gained, giving electricians peace of mind that the wire nuts are secure. There are cases where avoiding tape is the best approach. Narrow junction boxes can become overcrowded if tape is used, making it difficult to fit all the wires. Outdoor applications should avoid tape, as it can degrade over time when exposed to sunlight. Signal and communication cables may experience interference with signal transmission if tape is applied. In conclusion, while tape is not always required on wire nuts, many electricians use it for added safety and insulation. The decision to use tape should be based on the specific application and any relevant electrical codes.